Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Zoom meeting quickly and properly. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app and make sure you are logged in. Then, start a meeting or join on. When you are ready to leave the Zoom meeting, on the bottom right corner, you'll see the leave button in the Zoom menu bar. Click on it and again click on leave meeting to leave. If you are the host, it may say end instead. Click on it and you'll see two options: end meeting for all and leave meeting. Just click leave meeting and you will be instantly disconnected from the session. If you are the host and want everyone else to leave too, click end meeting for all instead of just leaving. That will close the meeting completely for everyone involved. And that's it. Now you know how to leave a Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.